In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to align text in Google Vids. If you've been finding yourself struggling with getting your text to look just right, you've come to the right place. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring that by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to effortlessly align your text just the way you want it. First things first, let's head over to Google Vids. It's part of the Google Workspace. And if you're not already familiar with it, Google Vids is a fantastic tool that lets you create and edit videos right in your browser. No need for fancy software or extensive video editing knowledge. If you're not sure how to get there, simply search for Google Vids in your browser and it should be one of the top results. Once you've arrived at the Google Vids page, the next step is to sign in. Click on the Sign In button usually located at the top right corner of the page. If you have several Google accounts, make sure to choose the one you want to use for this project. It could be your personal account or perhaps one that you've created specifically for work or school projects. Selecting the right account ensures that all your work is saved and accessible in the right place. After you've successfully signed in, it's time to get down to business, the text alignment. Begin by opening the video you'd like to work on. You can do this by either creating a new project within Google Vids or continuing with an existing one. Once you have your project open, navigate to the specific text you wish to align. It could be a title, a bullet list, or any text element within your video. To highlight the text, simply click and drag over the words you want to align until they're selected. This action tells Google Vids that this is the text you're looking to edit. With your text now highlighted, look for the Format option. This might seem straightforward, but the Format tab is where all the magic happens in terms of text customization. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down menu with various options, but for now our main focus is on alignment. Next, navigate to Align and Indent in the drop-down menu. This option allows you to position your text exactly how you want it, whether that's to the left, the center, or the right of the screen. It's also where you can adjust the indentation if your text needs to be moved in or out from the margins, providing you with even more control over how your text is presented. Now it's time to select your alignment type. The options are typically left, center, right, and justify. Each of these has its own use and appeal. For example, centering a title can give it more prominence and a professional look, while aligning your text to the left could be more suitable for paragraphs or descriptive text. The choice here depends on what you're looking to achieve with your text presentation. Choosing your desired alignment is as easy as clicking on it. Once you've clicked, you should immediately see your text snap to the alignment you've selected. This immediate feedback allows you to quickly experiment with different alignments to see what looks best for your video. And there you have it. You now know how to align text in Google Vids. As you've seen, it's a straightforward process, but don't underestimate the power of well-aligned text in enhancing the look and feel of your video projects. Feel free to play around with different alignments and indentations to see what works best for your specific project. Before we wrap up, a quick tip: sometimes aligning your text is just the first step in creating visually appealing content. Don't forget to explore the other formatting options available in Google Vids, such as font size, color, and style, to really make your text stand out. Thanks for joining me in today's tutorial. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment with your video projects in Google Vids. Happy editing!